Alright guys, we're going to try to get power from the inverter into the trailer. So this trailer has no generator, so no transfer switch, and the power, AC power, comes in the back right there. So my intention is we cut a 50-foot extension cord, number 12 wire. That's as much as that 2,000 watt inverter will put out. I drilled a hole in the floor. We'll go in and take a look at that. And then I'm going to run the cord all along the length of the trailer and put a new end on this cord that I hacked off. I drilled a 15/16 hole through the floor and put that nice grommet through there. I'm leaving a little extra wire in here just in case. And then regular 30 amp RV plug will go into this adapter. Plug straight into the cord this way. The owner at another time is going to put hinges on this panel that he took out, so it'll be easy to unplug the inverter and plug into shore power if they're at a campground. I put a piece of shrink wrap here where it penetrates the floor, and I'm putting a piece everywhere I go through the frame, just as extra protection.
That boy, you don't recover too good, does he?
No. Okay, we got that anchored. Also going to, in between each support brace, add a little hanger.
Okay. I'm not particular at all, I don't care. It's cold. It's going to be a puddle.
There it is. Just keep going all the way down the line like that.
Good though, man. These things are broken.
Got it all anchored in as we go. Got some wire hangers there to keep the cable safe and out of harm's way. Every penetration we have shrink wrap come down and around through here. And then through here. Over here we have a rubber grommet going through, come up through the floor. Let's go inside. Inside we're going to seal these holes with silicone. The cable comes up. I got a couple extra loops because you don't ever want to be caught short, because you can't stretch it, but you can make it shorter. Now I'm going to put the end on. There it is, all plugged in to the inverter. The spare wire, a little bit of extra wire, is right coiled up there in case we ever need to move or to have a style change on the inverter. We're preparing to mount our inverter start switch and the monitor for the solar indoors. So we're going to follow the same route as the solar panels went up through the roof, come through the closet, along this corner, and I just drilled the first hole. We're mounting it up here. It's time to hide the communication wires. So when I pulled out the original piece, we knew that was going to be too small to hide them. So we went to the local lumber yard, got a larger piece. Still concerned about not being able to fit it behind there, I ran it through the table saw and made it thinner. With the wider board, I needed to trim the cover piece of trim for the ceiling too. For that I just used a utility knife and took a couple of gentle whacks. Got to be really careful that you don't slip and cut the ceiling. Plug in to our power inverter. You can come on over here. We're plugged into the wall, and we're doing some of this install off a solar panel, solar power now. We got the hole cut for our controllers, and this is going to be for the on switch. Go ahead and shut her off. And that's kind of how she turned out. Let's get this all mounted up, cleaned up, plugged in. Alright, we're all tidied up. Job complete. We added extra screws here, but it was bowing out this plastic cover. We got screws for the on-off switch. Our solar is on and charging. Got the cover back on in here. Doesn't look like anybody's ever been in there. Really got that wire tucked in nice back here with that bigger trim. Got the wires running really nicely up against the back wall. Goes down through the holes right beside the solar. We didn't have big enough plastic, so we're going to get some others and finish that part of it up. Got grommets, all penetrations. Okay, and just plugged in the solar now. Put to the power inverter, and we got the converter off. The converter breaker is off. All the others are on. Have a look with the kilowatt meter, and we'll see what the no load draw might be. So yeah, 120 volts. And even with the microwave on, it's only drawing 0.02 amps of 120 volt AC. That's a pretty good deal. Looks nice, works nice. There's 30 seconds on the microwave. It's using 12.6 amps. Doesn't seem like a lot, but with only the two group 24 batteries. Oh, look at that draw, holy moly. So we're down to 11.7 amps. 11.5. It's recovering to 12.2. The solar will start pulling in more, but we're in the shade. That tree right there, that's a very nice tree to give a shade. It's probably a pretty good odds that all three panels are in shade right now, as they are on the front of the trailer. Alright, well thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for some more good stuff. Appreciate you watching.